Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the USB flash drive to iPhone and transfer photos and videos and any files between them. So let me show you how to connect these two different type of USB storage. You can see the ends, you can see one is the USB port and the other one is the C type. So this C type we can easily connect to our device through the charging port. Like this way, let me show you. This way we can easily connect. Okay, and the other one, with the help of these USB C adapters, we can easily connect. Let me show you. First of all, we need to connect like this way, and we can easily connect this one to our phone. After connect, go to files, tap on the browse. Here you can see the name of the connected USB storage. You can see here. Okay, so first of all, I am going to show you how to transfer or how to copy the photos from your iPhone to this USB storage. Open your photos application. So from here you need to select the photo that you want to copy. So simply here I am going to select this one. If you want to select multiple photos, tap on the select on the top right side and you can select any number of files. Tap on the share button on the bottom left side. So tap on copy. Here you can see copy photos. Now directly open the files application. Tap on the browse on the bottom right side. Tap on your connected USB storage. You can open any existing folders, otherwise you can create a new folder. So here I am going to select an existing folder and press and hold the place that you want to copy this photos. Press and hold, tap on paste. So here you can see all that 3 photos you can see here. So simply in this way we can connect the USB flash drive to iPhone and we can easily transfer photos, videos, files, any files through them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.